is equal to 13 centimeter. It says that hypotenuse is 13 units. Alright. This is the hypotenuse, length of the hypotenuse is 13 units by 13 centimeter in this case. This is centimeter. Sorry, units is given, not no unit is given. Sorry, no particular unit is given. This is units only, 5 units, and this is 13 units. So hypotenuse is given, base is given, no perpendicular is given, no altitude or height is given. So AB first we have to calculate, because perpendicular is required in case of area. So by Pythagoras theorem we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square. This is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, this is now hypotenuse is 13 square. Now here height is, sorry, base is given 5 centimeter, 5 units, I mean 5 units square, plus this perpendicular p is not given, so p square is there, the perpendicular altitude or height. Therefore p square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. 13 is 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144. Difference 9 minus 5 4, and 6 minus 2 4, and 144, which is nothing but square of 12. Therefore p is equal to 12. Height is 12. This is 13 given to us, 13 units. Now we have calculated this as 12 units. Therefore area of a right angled triangle ABC in this case is equal to half base into perpendicular. Perpendicular means height. Please try to understand, in case of right angle triangle we write perpendicular. This is half, base is 5. Now perpendicular we have calculated as 12. This is 12 square units. So this is unit of the area, square unit. This is 2 6 12, 6 5 30, 30 square units. This is the answer, 30 square units is the area. We have to calculate area, find its area. Okay. Now the question was saying that the base of the right angle triangle is 5 units and the hypotenuse is 13 units. Find its area. Area we have first we calculate is perpendicular by Pythagoras theorem, then base into perpendicular into height, I mean into half, or 1.2 into base into perpendicular. That we have calculated as 30 units square unit. This is the answer here. Okay, so this is the answer. So first part is done. Question number 1, part A is completed. And let me talk about part number B of this question. Second part of this, or B part. What does B part of this say? Let me check. Now, B part of this question is, it says that the sides of a triangle, the base of a right angle triangle is 80 units in this case. Same type of question, and the hypotenuse is 10 units. Find its area and perimeter. Now in this case, perimeter is also required. Again, let us take a right angle triangle like this. This is the right angle triangle. Let me take A, B, and C here. This base is how much? How many units? 80 units is given to us, and the hypotenuse is, this is hypotenuse because right angle is this here. So side opposite right angle is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here 10 units. This is now 10 units. Okay, so again perpendicular is not given. First we calculate perpendicular. This length what is given to us, let me write. In a right angle triangle, right angled triangle ABC, we are given here BC is equal to 8 units. This is length here, 8 units. Okay, BC is 8 units base, and AB is equal to 10 units. This is the hypotenuse. Hence by Pythagoras theorem. Hence why this is solution we are calculating. By Pythagoras theorem or applying Pythagoras theorem, we have applying Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square, hypotenuse square, is equal to BC square plus AC square in this case, is equal to BC is 8 square unit or 8 square. AC is not known, AC we have to calculate, and this is 10 square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square. This is 100 minus 64 is 36 only. Difference is 10 minus 4 6, 1 carry, 9 minus 6 is 3, only 36. Or this is equal to 6 square, 36 is 6 square. AC square equal to 6 square, AC is equal to therefore 6 centimeters, 6 units in this case. Okay, so this is now calculated. So this is equal to 6 units. We have now calculated. Therefore, area is now easily calculated. What is the area here? Therefore, area here, area of the triangle, of the right angle triangle, of the right angle triangle ABC is equal to half base into perpendicular, half BC into, in this case AC, is half 8 into 6, that is 24, basics of 48, or 2, 3 are 8, 24, so 24 square units. Square units. Okay, and perimeter is equal to how much? Perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of the three sides. Equal to sum of the lengths of three sides. This is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 10. That means 8 plus 6, 14 plus 10, 24. I see. So the sum of the perimeter is also coming 24. Alright. Area is also 24. Alright. Good. The perimeter and area in this case is same units. But I mean numerically they are same. This is square unit, this is now units only. 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 10 is 24. This is units only, because this is length units. 24 units, perimeter is 24 units. 8 plus 6 plus 10. 10 plus 6 16. 10 plus 6 16 plus 8 24. And area here was 8 into 6 upon 2. 3 is 6, 3 is 24. That is also same. So both are same. This is answer here. Area, perimeter is this 24 units only. Area and perimeter both are same. These two parts of question number 1 are now completed. Now let me take question number 2. What is question number 2 say? Let me check it. Before taking question number 2, let me click this. Let me click before. Okay guys, let us take next question. Question number 2 now. What did it say? Now question number 2 is, say the size of a triangular field. Now in this case, field is given, triangular field. Just a triangle, okay? So the sides of a triangular field are 30 meters, 28 meters, and 26 meters. Find its area. Okay, so triangular field. Question number 2. The size of a triangular field. Of a triangular means triangular field are size are. Let us take A is equal to 30 meter, B second side 28 meters, okay, 28 meters, C is equal to 26 meters, okay. There are 3 sides given to us. What is the perimeter? Small s we will calculate, okay, semi-perimeter, and then S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and area by Heron's formula. So, okay, let me take solution here. This was these sides, length of the sides were given to us. Here we have semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter we have to calculate small s equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. That means A 30 plus 28 plus 26 upon 2. This is 8 plus 6 14, 4 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8, 84 upon 2. Okay, that is 42. 2 4 is 8 and 2 is 42. So this is 42. 2 is 4. So this is 42. 42 is the value of semi-perimeter. Therefore, S minus A. Now, therefore, S minus A is equal to 42 minus 30. That means 12. S minus B is equal to 42 minus 28. That means 14. Why 14? Because 2 more. This is S minus C, and S minus C is 42 minus 26. 4 plus 12, 16. This is equal to 16 here. Yeah, 16. Alright, this is 16. These are 16, 14, and 12. These are 3 values of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Therefore, what is the area now? Okay, so we have to calculate area. What do we calculate? Find its area. Therefore, area is equal to, hence by Heron's formula, area of the triangle, area of the given triangle, area of the given triangle is equal to square root. That is the formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We have to multiply them. Now, small s is 42 because small s is equal to 42. This is 42 into S minus A is 12, S minus B is 14, S minus C is 16. We have to multiply them, find the square root of them. Let me factorize them. That will be easier to imagine about that what is the area. Okay, let me take factorize them. Now this is 7 6 of 42. So 7 into 2 into 3, 6, and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. This is 12. 4 3 are 12. And this is 2 into 7. 14 means. And 16 means 2 4 times. Let us take pair of the values. So 7 will come out as 7 is having 2 7s are there. So 1 7 will come out. Then 2, how many 2s are there? This is 1 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 2 will come out of 8. 3, how many 3 are there? Only 2. 1 3 and this second 3. Only 3 has come out. Okay. So 1 7 because out of pair of 7, out of pair of 3, once 3 is out, and out of pairs of 2. So there are 4 pairs. So 4 we are out. Then 16 3 are 48. 16 3 are 48 because 2 4 times is 16. 16 3 are 48 into 7. The area is 7 with a 56. 6 5 carry. 7 is a 48. 48 and 5 33. 7 for the 28. 28 and 5. 7 is the 56. 6 5 carry. 7 for the 28. 28 and 5 33. So 336 square unit. 336 square units. Now this is the area of this given triangle. Okay, so this is the process of finding the area of a triangle which sides are, length of the sides are given. This is an answer. 336 square units. Area of the triangle. Perimeter is small as twice as it was 84, I think, because small as is 42. Double of that. Perimeter is 84. So that is the perimeter. Now let us take question number 3. What did question number 3 say? Let me check that. Now question number 3. Okay, now question 3 says there is a grass lawn. Okay, there is a grass lawn in the shape of an equilateral triangle with each side of 25 meters length. Okay, so this is question number 3. Now it says there is a grassland or grass field which is equilateral triangle shape. There is a grass lawn, okay, in the shape of an equilateral triangle with each side 25 meter, 25 meter. Try to understand this. Let me take ABC is the grassy lawn, or in the shape of an equilateral triangle with each side 25 meters. This is the grass lawn, 25 meters length. If a horse is tied with a rope 21 meters to one corner. Okay, so this is one corner. Let me take B, where horse is tied. Now this horse will, so this is the length of the rope with which it is tied. With the horse is tied with a rope of length 21 meter. Okay, so horse can move to this shape. Okay, so this is what 60 degree is the angle, value of the angle, 60 degree angle. And now this is the sector shape. This is the sector shape of the grassy land or grassy lawn, in this case, in which the horse can graze. This section can be grazed by the horse because it is tied by a rope with 21 meter length of the rope, and then horse can move only up to 21 meters. Sectorial area. This is the sector area which horse can move. Now, what is the point? There is a grass lawn in which, in the shape of an equilateral triangle with each side of 25 meters length. If a horse is tied with a rope of 21 meters, to one corner of this grass lawn, determine how much maximum area of this grass lawn the horse can graze. One thing we have to find out first this area. What is the area of this sector in this case? Now, in this case, area of a sector is also to be known to us. And I calculate, when I will solve the questions based on circles, sector, segment, area of circles, etc. Then we will take all about this. But now I write down what is the formula for sector of area. Now area of a sector, we have discussed in the first lecture series that only the sector, segment, everything that I have already introduced. Only formula I will put here, then area is to be calculated. This is one of the part of this question. Okay, so we have to find out that how much area the horse can graze. This grass lawn in the horse, okay, the horse can graze. How much area? This area of the sector we have to find out. Also find the area of that portion of lawn which the horse is unable to graze. We have to find this area also. The blank area out of the area of the triangle. We have to subtract the area of the sector. The remaining area which the horse cannot graze can be calculated. That is the point. So two sections. Three things are to be noted down, to be calculated. One thing, area of the sector, area of the remaining field which the horse cannot graze, and area of the triangle, equilateral triangle. So here what is given to us? We are given equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle ABC, in which side AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 25 meters. Okay, this is given to us 25 meters. Second thing, the length of the second is the length of the road. Okay, with which the horse is tied. The horse is tied at one corner B of the grass lawn. Okay, so that we are given here, which is 21 meters. That is, let me take this is BD. So BD is equal to 21 meters, and this is E that we take sector area. This we know that each angle of a equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. It is equilateral triangle. Each angle is 60 degrees. Okay, 1/3 of 180 degrees. But each angle is equal. So this is 60 degrees. So the horse can take to solve to find what we find out. Solution. Now here to find, there are 2 points here to find area of the sector which horse can graze. Horse can graze. This is one of the points. Second is area of the triangle which horse cannot graze. Horse cannot graze. That means this remaining portion. Okay, so these two things we are required, but we have to find out area of the triangle also. So from area of the triangle, we have to subtract area of the sector. First, what is the area of the sector? Area of the sector says area of the sector, in this case BDE, we are taking BD, this is D here, this is 21 meters. The BDE sector is equal to, this is pi into r square, r is radius, r square or BD square into theta upon 360. Now this is area of the sector, area of the square, sorry, area of the circle into theta upon 360. Theta is the angle made by that sector. Whatever this arc made at the center, that angle we put in the numerator. This is pi 22.7 into r square 21 into 21 into theta 60 upon 360. Here theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so this is 1.10 only, 1.10. 7 3 is 21. What do we get here? Therefore area, let me write here. Therefore, area of the sector which the horse can graze equal to 22 into 21 3 yeah 63 is 3 1 ja 3 to the 6 okay 63 1 upon 10 this much area square unit square meter this is square meter here this area can be grazed by now let me just multiply these two 63 into 22 this is 63 into 20 but multiply 2 3 is 6 multiply directly 2 3 is 6 60 or 12 2 3 is 6 12 and 6 18 and 18 8 will carry 60 or 12 12 will 30 1386 this is going to 1386 divided by 10 that means this is going to 138.6 square meters okay this is the area here okay 1881 carry and 60 at 12 and 113 okay 1386 divided by 10 that means 138.6 square meter the area which the horse can graze at the loan is this much this is the first part so first answer is equal to 138.6 square meter this is the area which horse can graze area of this sector 138.6 square meter now let's take what is area of the okay this section of the triangle which horse cannot graze but if we have to find out area of the triangle area of the equilateral triangle first now area of the equilateral triangle in this case ABC is equal to this is root 3 upon 4 into side square means 25 whole square okay 25 square is 625 into root 3 upon 4 okay so it is not cancelled out root 3 is 1.732 1.73 we can write it is equal to 625 into 1.73 okay so 3 digits divided by 4 then 4 can be so if I divide it by 4 first let me multiply these two then divided by 4 okay so let me first multiply them so multiplication of this will be 625 into 173 decimal will be after 2 decimals okay that I'll take later now 3 5 is 15 5 1 carry 3 2 is 6 7 5 is 35 and 6 41 and 142 4 carry now 6 3 is 18 5 is 5 18 5 23 7 to the 14 and 23 37 and 4 41 4 carry then 7 6 is 42 and 2 and 2 42 and 44 and 4 48 8 4 carry again okay then 6 1 is 6 and 4 10 this is now quantity after 2 decimals divided by 4 this will be 108.1.25 divided by 4 this is the value here again divided by 4 so 4 to the 8 this is 4 to the 8 to 28 4 7 is 28 complete value 0.1 is not divisible so we put here 0 to 70.12 270 that means 270.43 is 12 4 1 is 4 again 2 carry 4 5 is 1 carry 4 2 is 8 okay and then 2 carry 4 5 is 20 so this is 270.3125 is the area of the whole triangle. So subtract this area of the sector from this area of the triangle. That will be the area, remaining area which the horse cannot graze. Area of the triangular loan. Therefore, let me write here. Therefore, area of the loan which horse cannot graze is equal to, which is the area of the triangle ABC minus area of the sector. In this case, this is BDE, area of the sector. So this is 270, area of the triangle, 0.3125 minus area of the sector is 138.6. Subtracting this, we can get here 521. Sorry, 13 minus 6 is 7. Point. So one carry here, 9, 10. Okay, 10 minus 9 is 1. Again one carry 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 131. The 131 point. This is the area which the horse cannot graze. Square unit. Square for meter. In this case, meter is given. 2 square meters. Square meter only. 131.7125 square meter. This area the horse cannot graze. Okay, because it is tied with a rope of 21 meter length. So horse can graze only this sectoral area, and this area will be left. So area of the triangle minus area of the sector, which is this one. This is the second answer. Okay, so area which horse cannot graze and area which horse can graze. This is first answer, answer 1, second answer. Okay, so this is how this question number we have completed. Let us take the next question. Question number 4 now. Before that, clean this. Question number now 4.